The Kaduna State High Court of Justice as GRA Zaria has adjourned the hearing of an application of a motion for stay of execution by Honorable Sani Sha'Aban against the judgment which ordered him to repay back the outstanding loan. Justice Bilkis Muhammad, who presided over, made the announcement after reviewing the application and reading the court records of proceeding during the sitting on Monday, 9 February 2026, and to resume hearing on 12 February 2026. The application of a motion for stay of execution by Honorable Sani Sha'Aban through his counsel Barrister Usman Gambo, pleading with the court to set aside the judgment, originates from a ruling of the Kaduna State Judiciary High Court at GRA Zaria, presided over by Justice Kabiru Dabo on Monday, 29 September 2025, which reaffirmed the decision of the Upper Sharia Court that Honorable Sani Sha'Aban should repay back the outstanding loan of $709,238 and 11,200,000 naira as he collected from Alhaji Umar Farouk during his financial trouble at UAE Dubai. The court ordered the sale of Sha'Aban's Zaria Kano properties used as collateral to settle the debt. It could be recalled back, a loan agreement was signed in 2018 by Honorable Sani Sha'Aban and Alhaji Umar Farouk to secure Sha'Aban's release when he was in financial trouble at UAE Dubai. A total amount of $1 million, 11,200,000 naira was given to him without interest under the strict Islamic law, which was drafted and witnessed by his lawyer and signed by his son, but later on his return declined sign in acceptance. During the ruling, Sha'Aban had already paid $290,762 out of $1 million loan and declined to pay the remaining balance. After the Monday sitting, counsel to Alhaji Umar Farouk, senior advocate of Nigeria, Abdullahi Yahya, explained vividly what transpired during the session.
Today, what we took three applications. First, because they did not respond to our application in time, they needed extension of time to do so. We conceded to that so that we could make progress. So we took that application, time was extended for them, they filed their counter affidavit and written address in opposition. We took our application and then we also took their application for stay of execution. What we told the court in respect of the application for stay of execution is the court has the power to ask you, because it is a money judgment, to deposit the money and then go on appeal. Whoever wins the appeal comes back to take the money. So that's the alternative that we asked the court to do. To refuse the application, but if they must grant the application, they should grant it on terms that they pay the money into an interest yielding account.
On the other hand, Sha'Aban's lawyer Usman Gambo narrates that they applied the motion for stay of execution within the permitted period which the law granted after a judgment, pleaded with the court to allow the application to set aside the judgment against his client Sani Sha'Aban.
We filed a motion for stay of execution against the judgment. Well, it's a normal procedure that such an application is filed before the lower court before going to the appellate court, and now that this honorable court had our application and the counter to it by the Lioness Silk to counsel to the judgment creditor, the court now gave 3 days for its ruling to be ready, and we are coming back on Thursday, 12th of February 2026 for the ruling.
Meanwhile, the case adjourned to resume next session February 2026. Sani Abdullahi, LV Hood News.